Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you how to download Google Meet. So there are two ways you can download Google Meet. There is Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. It's your wish to choose which method you want. It is easy. The link is in the description below. You should copy that link and paste it in another window. So I'm going to the Google Chrome. Okay friends, here we are in the Google Chrome. Now in the Google Chrome we should type here meet.google.com and enter. So you will get a overview like this, a view like this. Now you know in any laptop you'll see three dots over here. Click that, more tools, create shortcut, open as a window, because we need it as an application, so we need to click that. So create. So here we are in the Google Meet application and I got it, and this is how the view looks. And now we have to sign in, and if you want any meeting you can enter. Now if you ask me how to uninstall, it's really easy. You'll see again three dots near the minimize button. Click the three dots, you'll see uninstall Google Meet. Click that, and then this application will get uninstalled. And if you want to install again, repeat the same process. That's it. So now we will go check how to do it in Microsoft Edge. Now let's install Google Meet in Microsoft Edge. So for that, the link is, copy this link, and then if you want to install, you'll see again this three dots. You will see apps. Install this site as an app. First you'll see an option called app, then if you again click it, you'll see install this site as an app. You'll see two options called manage apps and install this site as an app. Press install this site as an app. After pressing the install button, you'll get a view like this. So this green highlighted is from install from Microsoft Edge, and the other one will be gray, that is from the Google Chrome. So if you want to uninstall from Microsoft Edge, it's also easy. You just need to go uninstall Google Meet. That's it. So if you like this video, please click the like button, share out this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. If you do have any doubts, please comment.